Hi, Facebook. It's Mackenzie Greenlee here with Large Lots Office. We are at the beautiful property located at 31400 Victory Lane in Lebanon, Oregon. This house is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, built in 2017. It's a gorgeous property, gorgeous home. There's a shop that's 2,640 square feet, has heated area upstairs, living quarters with a bar. Could be used as whatever you want to use it as. Thanks for joining me. I'm excited to take you guys on a tour of this one. So this one is 2,042 square feet, but then you also have over 1,300 square feet usable living area up above the shop as well. So nice little roundabout driveway here, gorgeous landscaping. This one has a beautiful view. I'm going to show you here in a little bit. Can't you picture yourself living here? Good amount of parking too. So this is on 2.3 acres, just outside of Lebanon. Let me know if you have any questions. Take you on a tour. Also, if you put your email in the chat, we will PM you the link for the Yeti drawing. We'd love to get you entered into that as well. Look how cute this front porch is. Nice little covered front porch area. I love the woodwork here. You can see. Just really beautiful. Pretty front door. Has great natural light in here. So we're gonna walk in, and as soon as you walk in, little entryway here. Walk into the living room. It's a nice gas fireplace, mantle, huge windows, tons of natural light. Look how gorgeous this is. Has really great AC. It feels super cold in here. It's working really well. Little island, the sink, dishwasher in the island. There's the oven built in here and a gas range. Isn't this one beautiful? Really great open concept, perfect for entertaining. Tall vaulted ceilings. Really pretty flooring. You can see the flooring. The fireplace. The mantle. So again, this one is 31400 Victory Lane in Lebanon. I'm going to take you out onto the covered back porch here, show you this view. Then I'll take you through the rest of the house. So this is a really nice covered back porch, perfect, entertaining, spend your time out here. There's a TV out here. There's a gas fireplace table, hot tub. Look how pretty that is. Gonna give you a good view of the back side of the house. It's a perfect little area to come out here and enjoy the evenings, enjoy your morning coffee. Look how pretty this is. Look out over Lebanon. Victory Lane is off Southwest 5th, off of Vaughn. It's a little private drive. Just think this is perfect and beautiful. Okay, let's go back inside. I love all the windows here and all this natural light. And then there's the dining room right here. Look at those tray ceilings. Just great detail in this house. Really well built. Yes, it is up by East Lynn. So here they have the barn doors here for the pantry area. I love these. I love that they're dual barn doors. Nice little pantry area, lots of shelves, lots of area to store crock pots, appliances, just extra stuff you don't want on the counter. And then here is the master. Same, it has the tray ceilings, which are awesome. Nice ceiling fan. Has access to the exterior. Go out to your hot tub. Tall ceilings. Has a walk-in closet. Lots of shelves. Tons of space in here. And then look at this bathroom. So here is your shower. Walk-in shower, has the little bench. Isn't that beautiful? Nice glass door. Floor to ceiling tile. And then it has the dual sinks. Big vanity area with dual sinks. Little vanity area where you could get ready. Lots of storage in here, which is also really nice. And then I love the dark doors. Really nice dark doors. Okay, let's keep going. So down the hallway here, little hall closet. There's the entryway again. And then here are the two other bedrooms. Good sized bedrooms. I love the big windows. Again, in both the bedrooms, you have nice sized windows. Lots of natural light. Really nice carpet. Super clean. So again, nice sized bedroom. Big windows. And then here's the main bathroom of the house. I also love the black doors. I think they did a really nice job with detail on this house. They thought of everything. So glass doors. There's your vanity. Kind of walk you through the main part of the house one more time before we go outside and check out the shop. So your entryway, living room, dining area, really nice kitchen. Okay, now we'll walk back through here and we'll go out through, there is a nice large laundry room. So lots of storage here in the laundry room. Big sink. Tons of space in here. Fold clothes, all your stuff. And then we'll go out to the garage. So this is a double garage, but it goes back quite a ways. So automatic garage door, central vac system. And then it has the double garage, but then it also goes back quite a ways for storage and other stuff that you would want to put back there, which I think is great. So this property is 31400 Victory Lane in Lebanon. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 2,042 square feet. It's got a huge detached shop, over 2,600 square feet. Half of that is heated area up there. So nice parking here. I'm gonna take you inside. So downstairs, the shop, tons of storage. This is really well-built wood construction. So look how much storage is down here. So not only do you have the 2-car oversized garage, you have all the storage here. Automatic doors. Lots of windows, lots of light. And the really cool part is upstairs. Thanks so much, everybody, for joining me, coming to see this gorgeous house. We would love to take you on your own private tour. If you want to schedule an appointment, our phone number is 541-451-2211, and we'll get you out here for your own tour. You can see it in person because it's even more beautiful. So here is the space upstairs of the shop. It's got a big bar, tons of seating. Look how cool that bar is. Movie theater room. Could use it kind of as whatever you want. Couldn't you see yourself here? This is a perfect spot for entertaining. Look at this view. Isn't this beautiful? Thanks so much for joining me today. This property is just outside of Lebanon. It's on 2.3 acres, 2017 built house, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, huge garage, over 2,600 square foot shop and living space or kind of hangout space, whatever you wanted to use it as. Great private little neighborhood. Be the absolute perfect house. It's on a well. So you're on a well and the septic out here. Give our office a call and we would love to take you on a tour. It really is prettier in person. Can you imagine drinking coffee in the mornings, looking at the view? Thanks so much, everyone, for joining me. I sure appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.